This beautiful vibrant drink is just a delicious tea. It is packed with natural goodness. Beetroot is known for supporting blood saturation, boosting energy, and keeping you hydrated, making it a perfect drink for sunny days. So today we are going to make iced beetroot tea. So join us, and kindly remember to subscribe, like, and also support. Right now, I made juice previously, and the remnants are the ones I'm going to make the cubes for the tea. So right now, I'm trying to make the cubes. I added some flavor, I added sugar, and also some lemon to the cubes. So I am going to put them in the tray, place them in the freezer until the day I want to use them. So already my cubes are already done and placed in the fridge. This is the following day. My beet cubes are already frozen and ready to be used. So it's a hot day today, and I want to make my iced tea. Already I've removed one cube. In today's cup of tea, I'm going to use 2 cubes. So there goes my 2 cubes, very frozen. Get some hot water. My water is boiling there. Add the cubed beetroot tea and make a very nice tea. The flavors, the hot water and the frozen beet make it wonderful. Look at that tea. Stir until all that beet dissolves in water. Let it infuse slowly. Now my tea is ready to be consumed. Look at that. So nice. Make it a daily use, especially after a hard day working. You can make this beetroot your cup of tea. Welcome, and see you again.